Hindi naman nagpatinag ang otoridad sa ilang grupo na nais manggulo sa halalang pambarangay. Ayon sa ulat ng AFP, naprotektahan nila ang mga ballot boxes na haharangin sana ng ilang armadong grupo sa barangay Kabayuan sa Maguindanao. Nailigtas din ng otoridad ang ilang tauhan ng COMELEC matapos ang inkwentro. Samantala, iniimbestigahan na rin ng otoridad ang panununog umano sa Central Dinganin Elementary School sa nasabing lugar. Tiniyak ng AFP at ng PNP ang pagpanatili ng maayos na halalan, lalo-lalo na sa Maguindanao kung saan malagim na patayan ng mga politiko noong 2009.
Our partnership with the Philippine National Police under the Commission elections, we can make an assessment that the election was successful. Because there are only a few areas within the 6th Infantry Division AOR wherein there was a disruption by some armed men to prevent first the voting to happen. At the same time, as we conclude the election, also to disrupt the movement of the ballot boxes to polling stations. And with this at hand, the AFP and PNP troops remain vigilant to ensure that as the polling precincts close and the transportation of ballot boxes are now being done, our troops remain alert and vigilant so that we may conclude the election.